I just want to see that it's dry here.
Yeah, there's no leak at the spigot, as you can see.
There, everything's dry over here because it rained for like 3 days. There's the hose. Going out here. Going into a drain. Let me go down the go into the basement.
Walk slow.
And here we have a leak. I don't even, oh there it is.
It's raining down inside the closet.